Yo, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to be talking about stratigraphy. Stratigraphy is mostly archaeology based, but I'm going to be doing a video on it because it's got to do with geography, but it's mostly for my my archaeology class. Shout out to my archaeology class because we have an archaeology exam in a week. Sediment and other materials are deposited on the Earth's surface in layers. These layers build up and are called strata. The study of these layers is called stratigraphy. A key part of stratigraphy is the law of superposition. The law of superposition states that the oldest rock layer is at the bottom and the newest deposited layer is on the top. Archaeologists use stratigraphy to date various artifacts. Depending on which artifact is found in which part of the soil may determine its age. In an archaeological site, the lowest strata is considered the oldest, while the top strata is considered the newest. For example, this layer of strata is from the Mesolithic Stone Age, and archaeologists find a flint knife. Based on the position of the strata, we can safely assume that this knife belonged to the Stone Age. As society advances, older inventions tend to get forgotten about. So at the time, maybe the flint knife was the most innovative invention known to man, but eventually society advanced to iron tools and just more convenient materials, and eventually the flint knife was just forgotten about and buried under sediment and debris buildup. Archaeologists can also date artifacts based on typology. Typology is assuming when an artifact was made based on its fashion. So archaeologists assume the flint knife is older than the hex-clad stainless steel safe and non-stick knife used by Gordon Ramsay in Kitchen Nightmares. In terms of geography, stratigraphy is also a really good example of sedimentation. This is when sediment layers build up and compress the lowest layer into a hard rock. So this is how sedimentary rocks are formed, for example. Another important law to note is the law of cross-cutting relations. This basically means that if a rock is cut into, the rock cutting into that rock is younger. That's a bit hard to explain, but if there's, for example, a rock of limestone and basalt is cutting into it, the limestone has to be older because the basalt had to cut into it, meaning the basalt is younger. Because if the limestone wasn't there first, what would the basalt cut into? Anyway, I hope this helped my archaeology class, and I hope this was a geography lesson to anyone who needed it. That's all, guys. I hope this helped, and yeah, good luck with the exam, guys. We have 1 week. Bye. Bye-bye.